Bhaiya, AI is the best tool. Just like just like I'm not against AI. Just like I'm talk about AI, good or not. So
Mm.
first of all, AI is a good. Just like uh, we are searching any anything. Just like I am studying and uh, I have no अब मेरे पास कोई वो सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा है.
Mm. So I do not have any solution.
I don't have no any solution. Then I search AI. Then if AI data inbuilt, then AI answer me. But other thing is AI have a no emotions. Just like we are going Avinash sir coaching. Yes, yes.
Yes,
You and me and all students, and we are seeing live Avinash sir, and we Avinash sir teach us. And if any doubt, just like me and you and any student, then अविनाश सर हमें बता देते हैं that time.
when we have any doubt, then Avinash sir told us.
When we have any doubt, then Avinash sir told us. And other thing is AI is good, but in my opinion,
Mm.
the, if many people use AI, then many companies are use AI, then many भारत देश में बहुत से बेरोजगार हैं.
There are many unemployed person in India.
There are many unemployment person in India. Then if a big company are use AI and just like robot and ChatGPT, so many student and many people are अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, यानी बहुत से लोग अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हो जाएंगे और भारत देश में बहुत ज्यादा बेरोजगारी है. सो दिस इज गुड फॉर कंपनी एंड दिस इज बैड फॉर स्टूडेंट.
Yes, it is.
ओके, तो भैया व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन?
Okay, my. So, Bhaiya, like if I also talk about that AI is good or bad. So you have already concluded that for the company AI is best and for us it is bad. Yes, it is very right that like just if we take a live example, like you are a businessman and you have your own business. Okay,
ओके.
so you are a owner and you will do the thing like how you can manage all the activities in your business within a minimum amount. You will not think that I have to give money to the many people. You will think this whatever your emotions and whatever your feeling, but you will think this that I do not uh, like uh, I would not have to pay the more money to people. If I have to complete that work, so if there is only one or two people can and AI can complete the work, so it is good. But if other side you will not think that I have to choose the 10 to 12 people, because if you will choose more people, then you have to give the more money to the more money. So it is your expense will be high as compared if you will use the AI. So it was very simple example like what I told that आप बिजनेस के ओनर हो, आपका बिजनेस है.
Yes,
ओके,
yes.
so always you will go with this path. So for you it is very good for you, but for us, for the student and for the employers who did their graduation, who did their skills and who are trying to give their best, but at last what they have, they do not have anything. They lost their jobs just because of AI. So for this it is very bad and it is very harmful for the people. Like if government will not take the action on it, so in future it will be a very it will destroy it will destroy the future of students. But uh, but we know that I heard that people said if your skill will be the if you are expert in your skill, So so AI cannot replace it. But I don't think that it will happen because like I am seeing day by day that AI is involving in different sectors. It was come with it also come in the sector of coding, software engineering, and also in management. So we know that if government will not take the action on it, so in future it will be very harmful because I think this ChatGPT is the fourth version, fourth generation. Which generation it is? Hello, Via.
Yes, yes.
I am asking that this is what generation of AI? Do you know?
No, no, bhaiya, I have no idea.
I think you know that it is the fourth generation of AI. Like just imagine if there will be the 10th or 12th generation of AI, so how it will be powerful. So I think that we should work on ourselves because if we will not do this, so I cannot think that I can sustain in the world.
So,
So my point is also with you that for the business it is very good, but if come with our employment and other persons, so it is very harmful and it will be a very disaster for the people. Like
just bhaiya, I want to some points. Just like uh, we are talking uh,
hmm,
2 days, no, 2 or 3 days. So when just like a artificial intelligence, uh, we will हमने डिस्कस किया था कि हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में बात करेंगे. So
we will discuss that we will talk about artificial
yeah,
intelligence.
yeah. So then my mind, I'm not sir. I did not search AI. You install my mobile phone AI, but मैं यूज नहीं करता हूँ. I did not use anytime, but I use my copy and pen. I thought my mind, then I write. Just like right time, I write some points artificial intelligence. Just like I have write 12 and 30 point. मैंने अपने माइंड में सोचा कि जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, तो बात करते करते मैं इतनी सारी चीजें बोल नहीं पाता, तो मैंने उसको लिख लिया कुछ पॉइंटों में, और फिर उसके बाद मैं अपने माइंड फिर आपको बताऊंगा. तो बट मैं कर सकता था. AI
English.
I have used AI tools, but I did not use AI tools because when I use my mind, then day by day increase my mind, and my mind thinking English, and my mind have a lots of knowledge, and my mind is development. So just like when I study, and then I use artificial intelligence. So our mind is lazy. Okay,
Sir,
our mind is lazy, and we have no हम यूज बहुत से लोग यूज लेजी हो जाते हैं.
many people become lazy.
Many people become lazy, and I'm not वो यानी AI is a very beneficial for study, but before times we know understand, and many before times we do not use AI, but many students and many people work good, and lots of employment, government and private sector. But AI जब से AI आया है, तो जॉब का खतरा ही बढ़ गया है.
When AI come, it is very harmful for the people to do
So
job.
yeah, when AI comes, then people
Uh, हाँ क्या था हिंदी में?
यानी कि जब से AI आया है, तो लोगों की और
It
चिंता
is
बढ़ गई है.
danger. It is danger for the people
It is danger.
because of their job.
It is danger for the people. So भैया, this is my कुछ few points.
Okay. Yeah, you said right that if you want to improve your skills, so we should not use AI. But if, in other side, if you are using AI for making your future, like you have a very you are very expert in the field of AI, and you know that how to use it, so it will be very
So
useful
भैया,
because
I
yes,
will I will talk about my friend. He is working in uh, Trikal News, है ना, DNN News, and said me uh, I have a one application. तो मैंने बोला what application, तो बोला he is a application AI and I उसको स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी थी, तो बोला he he was a write script, then he search on AI and AI give answer, then ही उसको काम नहीं करना पड़ा, बट उसका माइंड वहीं वहीं तक का रह जाएगा, उसने
yes,
अपने माइंड का यूज नहीं कर रहा है.
English use करो.
Okay, okay. He do not use our mind, and if if will be uh,
Hmm.
become a lazy.
Yeah, it happens because of because AI gave your work very easy to do. Why easy to do? It done it our work.
So भैया, many people think AI is good. I am not telling you कि AI is not good. AI is good and bad. So both people thinking whatever.
So I think that what that we are thinking, we should not think, we should work on ourselves, and we should know that how to use AI, because there are more than 5,000 AI in nowadays. We can use we can use any whatever AI we want to use. We can use it on Siri, but if you but there are many AI who have their subscriptions because of their premier features. So we should not until unless you do not have to use a until and unless you do not have a very urgent to do premium. So don't do this.
So here I have a example. Just like China.
Hmm.
China has a line of control uh, stand robot, and robot is a uh, good, but robot ha, robot will be hacked. Hack, and but other side is human do not died, but if robot is hacked, then our enemy come comes will be come in our country, and they attack. they
You
will
can
they
think
will
that
they will attack.
they can take the advantage of it.
Okay.
Yes. So yes, it is it was a very
because
good point
because
provided.
many just like some years ago, Google hacked
2 years ago.
2 years ago, Google hacked for Bihar. Bihar student, I have no name of student, but many AI application and many things are will be hacked,
Can be hacked.
can be hacked.
Yes, it is because it is the technology and hacker can do anything.
Yeah, hacker is a hack any ideas, Facebook and many types of application. They, but just like hacker, uh, hacker give up our money, and they उसको चुरा लेते हैं, एक OTP मांगकर.
They steal the money just by taking the OTPs.
They steal the money taking the OTP.
Hmm.
So So yeah, yani this technology good for human. But other side is this technology is harm for us, and benefit it is a gives benefit or dangerous.
disadvantage.
So
You
day by day the technology are increasing, just like you are using battery bike, okay, and
EV.
yeah, battery bike.
Yes,
Yes, uh, आने वाले समय में आने वाले
in few
समय
years.
in few years fuel no, every person no use fuel, but in case inflation day by day will be increase, and uh, in few days electricity is are very costly,
Yes, it will
will
because
be very costly.
we are consume a lot.
Yeah, yeah. This is just like I'm talk about smart meter. Smart meter
Hmm.
uh,
Smart
will
meter.
be come our home, and they recharge a system.
Yes, they have.
They have a
And many places it has already come.
yeah, yeah. It's already come. So yeah, this is our artificial intelligence topic. So this is my point.
And my point has also completed.
Yeah, yeah. My point is be completed.